Layer5 is a customer data platform that makes it easy to analyze how effectively your ad dollars are being spent. In Part 2 of the LayerFive How-To series, we'll be going over how to use the LayerFive dashboard to determine the true ROAS, or return on ad spend, of Facebook ads. After logging into your account on app.layer5.com, find and click on the Customer Interaction Insight tab under Marketing Performance from the navigation bar on the left. Scroll down to find the Performance by Media Source, Campaign, and Ads data table and select View Through Attribution. If you're interested in the other attributions, check out the previous video in this series. LayerFive specially features View Through Attribution that credits media sources that a customer may have seen before choosing to visit your website organically or directly instead of clicking on the ad from the original source. This is very useful for impression-heavy media sources like Facebook to capture the full impact of advertising. In this example, we consider Facebook ads. Oftentimes, a customer will see an ad on Facebook or Instagram and, instead of clicking on the ad, choose to directly visit your website or use a search engine. Orders from these customers are recorded as direct or organic visits, instead of being attributed to the ads that started the customer's journeys. LayerFive's View Through Attribution gives you a more accurate view of your Facebook ad performance with an algorithm that correctly credits Facebook ads for impressions leading to conversions that may have incorrectly registered as organic or direct. Under First Click Attribution, we can see Facebook ads associated with this many orders with a ROAS of this and cost per acquisition of this. Going to View Through Attribution, we can see it is associated with this many additional orders and this many total orders, calculated by adding the View Through orders to the first clicks. The ROAS and cost per acquisition have also changed to reflect the increased number of orders. A proportional number of orders are deducted from the direct and organic media sources so that your total orders attributed remains unchanged. This represents the incremental number of orders that you wouldn't get unless you advertised on Facebook. Utilize LayerFive's platform to accurately measure your Facebook ads performance and make smarter marketing decisions. Visit our website, www.layerfive.com, to learn more and subscribe to our channel to keep up with more videos from our How-To series. Comment below with any tutorials you want to see in the future.